What's up everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today, a very simple video for you guys. We showed this about 4 or 5 years ago on an F10 550i, but in the shop here we've got an F10 M5. We're gonna show you how to utilize your Valvetronic Designs harness to operate your vacuum exhaust valves. This F10 M5 is getting one of our exhaust systems, and the factory exhaust is on the ground. You can see it's got 2 valve actuators, just like the Valvetronic system. We're gonna show you guys how we use this controller to jump the factory harness, which controls the vacuum valves, and it gives you full control via a key fob remote for open and close. Really simple. It takes maybe 15 minutes. So come on this side and we're gonna show you guys how to do it. So the area that we're gonna be working in is right here. Behind this cover here in the trunk is where the solenoid is. You can kind of see it. That's where the harness is. So what we're gonna do, it's as simple as just disconnecting this by pushing the tab down and releasing. So that's off, and then we take the Valvetronic Designs connector, take the male end, plug it into the female end. It's easy as that, and then we take the female end and plug it into the valve solenoid. It is very, very easy and simple. Now that's plugged in, you can see the harness is installed. Last step here is going to be taking the ground and putting it behind one of the tail light studs in order to ground it out, because we do need to have a ground. Ground the controller on that, retighten the bolt. Sorry, it's a little bit challenging to see, but we like easy at Valvetronic Designs. And that's it. So now we're gonna turn the car on and actuate the electronic remote and confirm that the solenoid is clicking. The valves might not operate just because the car might not have vacuum pressure. Now with the vehicle on, and of course this car is going to sound perhaps better than your M5. It's got the Valvetronic full exhaust with no downpipe, stock downpipes in this car, but with the valves open and the valves rapidly shut, that's because the controller is intercepting that connection here in the trunk. It's a very easy install and a very cheap product. Gives you huge flexibility, whether you got universal mufflers or the full exhaust. It's the way to do it.